Hello, I'm back again with word of the day, so let's find out what word it is. Just look at these pictures and guess the word. What do you find? These are the parts which are used to construct something, and the word starts with M and ends with R. What is the word? And it also relates with the studies. The parts are being joined together. Great, and the word is modular, and it's an adjective. Okay, so here we have a couple of definitions of this word. It means of a course of study, especially at a British university or college, consisting of separate units from which students may choose several. For example, a modular course. Number 2, of a machines, buildings, etc., consisting of separate parts or units that can be joined together. Now look at this picture again. Do you see the parts here which could be joined together to construct something? Great! So, do you have any synonym in mind for modular? Good! Interchangeable. Any opposite meaning word, antonym? Great! Fixed! Okay, let's look at the pronunciation. Remember, it's very important to learn spelling and practice pronunciation of the word. Here we have a couple of pronunciation. The first one belongs to British English. The other one belongs to Native American English. Here, the only difference between them is, in British English, when R is the last alphabet of the word, it is silent. However, in Native American English, it is pronounced. Now listen and repeat.
Modular,
Modular. Once again,
modular,
one last time.
modular,
Great. Now Native American English.
Modular,
Modular. Once again,
modular,
one last time.
modular.
Fantastic! You've learned a new word. See you again.